This is Jacob from RoboFlow. I'm a machine learning engineer, and I'm here with Brad, the CTO of RoboFlow, for Machine Learning in a Minute. So today, I'm going to ask Brad, what is CUDA?
I'm glad you asked. CUDA is NVIDIA's framework for using GPUs, graphical processing units, to do general purpose operations. Oftentimes these are the same sorts of linear algebra type things that we would use for 3D graphics, but you can also use them for things like machine learning. And so it's taking these GPUs, which were traditionally used for games, and using them for high performance computing.
So are there any pain points that you've run into when using CUDA?
Yeah, this is such a new field and it's evolving so rapidly that there's a whole bunch of different versions that don't really play nicely with each other. So you're really going to have to pay attention to which specific point number of CUDA are the models that you're using and what do they require. Or you're going to have to use a service like RoboFlow that abstracts that away and perhaps creates something like a Docker that has everything prepackaged for you.
Excellent. Well, thank you for joining us today, and like and subscribe alert for more content like this, and we'll see you in the next video.